Tangerine quartz, angel aura, clear quartz, and chalcopyrite. This is an incredibly empowering and powerful pairing. Tangerine quartz, solar plexus, and your sacral chakra. So boosting your self-confidence with your relationships, whether you are getting into one, getting out of one, currently in one, with yourself, with others. Where is the sweet spot? This is also about manifestation. Your solar plexus, which is right about where your belly button is all about manifesting. Do you feel confident? I mean, really below the surface, when you're not with anybody else, are you really confident in your beliefs? Or is your conscious mind with its trash talk getting in the way? Angel aura, call on your guardian angels for protection, for insights, for healing, answers, comfort, clear quartz, protection, magnifying the energy of all other crystals, knowing when to invoke, to surround yourself mentally, emotionally, energetically with a shield so that any and all negativity is repelled and pushed away from you. Chalcopyrite, also known as peacock ore. Isn't this gorgeous? Time to align your energy, your thoughts, your feelings, your chakras, your beliefs, your intentions. If any one of those is not in a line, meaning if it's not all in harmony with each other, then you're tripping yourself up. Lord knows I've plenty of practice with that myself. And it is a job. It is watching where you walk, watching what you think and feel, not obsessively, just being aware. And if it's not a thought or a feeling that you desire that is not supporting you and encouraging you forward, then change it to anything that's happy, anything that you are dreaming about doing, going, having, experiencing, or something that you already have done. And then allow your guides to protect you, to guide you. Check in with them. Not sure that what you're getting is really from your guides? Ask them to show it to you differently, in a way that you easily understand and recognize. And then balance, clear, cleanse, and align your chakras. If one chakra is out of balance, it kind of puts a little bit of a strain, that's not the word I want. It slows the process down for your other chakras. So the flow doesn't get completely cut off, usually, but it is about having it open. So if your solar plexus, or you've just gone through an upset of any kind, your heart chakra needs help, you can put chalcopyrite directly on any chakra and get it to help you clear it and balance it and align it so that you can have all of your channels of receiving open, whether it's for guidance, for manifestation, for clearing, for healing. Tangerine, angel aura, clear quartz, and chalcopyrite. An amazing pairing. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.